Is your 2013-2019 Toyota RAV4 key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, available for around $5 to $10 at drugstores or online. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Start by gently prying open the fob case along the seam. There are no screws, it's held together by clips. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Snap the fob case back together, and you're done. After replacing the battery, test all the key fob functions: lock, unlock, and panic. If the fob is still unresponsive, you might need to reprogram it. Try this. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the car, and press the lock button on the fob. If that doesn't work, consult your owner's manual or Toyota's app for model-specific reprogramming instructions. Always dispose of the old battery properly. For optimal battery life of 2 to 4 years, avoid exposing your key fob to extreme temperatures. If problems persist after replacing the battery and attempting a remote fix, consult a professional to avoid any damage.